Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to transfer USDT from Gate.io to Bitget. So it's pretty simple. Open up your Bitget or Gate.io first, I mean. So Gate.io, all you have to do basically right here is go to your asset tab and press withdraw. From there, you want to actually search up your USDT that's already stored in here. So USDT, so you can do on-chain withdrawal and you can also do to other accounts. So we are gonna do an on-chain withdrawal. So here, just press got it. And then here, you will have to enter the actual on-chain that we are gonna go to. So let's head on to our Bitget right here and receive it. So you go to assets, add funds, and then deposit crypto, and then we're gonna search up USDT again. USDT right here. Choose our network. So let's go with our Solana network right here. So Solana network, and then copy this address, and then to be automatically transferred to Spot. Go back to Bitget, enter the address right there, and then allow the paste. So paste, select our network. So we have Solana right here. And then we will have a minimum deposit amount. So we're going to do 100, for example, only. And then it's going to already withdraw it and actually reduce it with the fee of 1.89 USDT. And then all you have to do is press withdraw. And then you have to verify that it's the same exact address. And there you go. It's going to be sent to your Bitget in no time. So it would usually take 2 minutes. Then there you go. So that's how you transfer USDT from Gate.io to Bitget.